In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your OneDrive account. OneDrive is a fantastic tool from Microsoft that allows you to store and share files securely online, making them accessible from any device with an internet connection. Whether you're using it for personal storage, collaborating on documents for work, or sharing photos with family, knowing how to log in is the first essential step. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any of the major ones like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Just ensure that it's up to date so you have a smooth experience. In the address bar at the top, type in onedrive.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the OneDrive homepage. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage, you should see a blue button labeled Sign In the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a new page will load asking for your Microsoft account credentials. Now, a Microsoft account can be an email address from Outlook, Hotmail, Live, or even an Xbox account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account to use OneDrive. Enter your Microsoft account email address and click on Next. Then, you'll see a field prompting you to enter your password. Carefully type in your password, making sure it matches exactly what you set. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check if your caps lock is on if you encounter any issues. After entering your password, you might see a prompt for two-factor authentication. This is a security feature Microsoft uses to keep your account extra secure. If you have this set up, Microsoft will send you a code via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Retrieve that code from the source you've chosen and enter it into the provided field, then click Verify. Upon successful verification, you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. Here, you'll have full access to your files and folders. You can upload new files by clicking on the Upload button or create new documents directly from this interface. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if you see any error messages or if the site is not loading correctly, try clearing your browser's cache or ensure you have a good internet connection. These are simple yet effective ways to resolve common login issues. Remember, always log out of your account if you're using a public or shared device to keep your data safe. You can do this by clicking on your account picture or initials in the upper right corner of the dashboard and selecting Sign Out. And there you have it, a simple and secure way to log into your OneDrive account. This step-by-step guide should make accessing your files effortless no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud storing.